from the SSKM. The hearing ended a short while ago. The ED told the court that Chatterjee could influence the hospital into bending rules to his advantage. Looks like they have not got a favourable order from the court there. Shaukato still there with me. Shaukato, just recap for us what happened in the hearing as far as this particular plea of ED was concerned.
Well, the hearing has just got over. The order has been kept in abeyance. The judge will be passing that order in a short while from now, probably by 7 o'clock or so is what we are getting to hear. So there are certain points that the judge needs to consider before passing that order. What the ED claimed at the Calcutta High Court when it challenged the lower court's order yesterday, the Bengal court's order yesterday, which moved the Arpita Mukherjee to SSKM Hospital, which is a state-run facility in Kolkata, saying that the hospital obviously could use the idea of giving out treatment or meting out treatment to Arpita Mukherjee, and in a way, hamper the investigation for the current case which the agency is investigating. The Enforcement Directorate pleaded before the court that their facility of choice is the India Institute of Medical Sciences in Kalyani. However, the judge had some reservations about the Kalyani facility of AIIMS. So there is another point that needs to be pondered upon as to whether the AIIMS facility in Bhubaneswar could be the hospital of choice where Arpita Mukherjee could be airlifted, if necessary, to that facility within a span of 1 hour or so. So all of these factors are being taken into consideration as per the hearing that ended a short while back. The order has been kept in abeyance for a short while, probably for 2 hours, and we are expecting the judge to pass that order at around 7:30 latest. Back to you.
Right. So once again, I mean, just to understand this, Enforcement Directorate has made this plea that they feel because SSKM is a state government-run hospital, there Partha Chatterjee could be favoured, and that's why they want him moved to a central government facility. What was the defence from Partha Chatterjee's side on this plea?
Well, you see, the defence obviously stated that the judge yesterday had passed an order according to the kind of jurisprudence she thought rather fit at that point in time on the basis of the hearing that took place for custody at the Bengal court yesterday, and the judge had passed an order specifically to be for Partha Chatterjee to be moved to SSKM Hospital simply because it's a premier state-run tertiary care hospital in Kolkata, closest to the court, and since Partha Chatterjee was already complaining of chest pains while he was in the court custody at that point in time. So perhaps that could have been one of the reasons why the judge preferred the nearest hospital, which is a premier state-run hospital in Kolkata, to move him there. Partha Chatterjee obviously was admitted at the cardiology department in that hospital. He was first admitted at the ICCU facility, following which he was removed to a cabin, and he's currently stays. He remains at that cabin of the cardiology department of SSKM Hospital. What the ED claims is that since yesterday, the hospital authorities have not allowed them to visit Partha Chatterjee, and there was no permission given to them for any kind of examination or interrogation given on grounds of his health condition. What the ED says is that since yesterday, the agency has not had any opportunity to question or examine Partha Chatterjee, who's a suspect in this particular case, okay. and fact that the ED has been given only 2 days of custody, and that entire period the ED actually could not examine him in any manner. The ED also pleaded before the court that the custody period during which Partha Chatterjee would remain in hospital should be exclusive of the time when the court grants him the custody. So these 2 days where Partha Chatterjee has been given ED custody, but he remains in hospital, should be excluded from the ED custody period which the court has given. So these are also some of the prayers that the judge has taken into consideration. So he would be, passing an order in a short while from now.
Right. So that order expected in a couple of hours. Swagato, we'll come back to you for